morning, it's the old desert naturalist again. Today we're going to talk about the things that you need while going hiking. We're going to talk first of all about the clothing that you need to wear. You need a long sleeve shirt. I don't like long sleeve shirts. Long pants. I don't like long pants, but I suggest that you use them. Buy yourself a good pair of hiking boots. Doesn't matter where you get them, but make sure they fit you properly. And before you go hiking on your trip, wear them around the house all day to break them in. I have my knapsack here, which is old, it's been used, and it's probably dirty. My wife says it's dirty, but you know what? I use it a lot. Then I suggest a little fanny pack. They're nice. You carry them in front. Your little binoculars are small. They do real good, and you can carry them in your fanny pack. This is a waterproof camera. My wife thinks that we're going to go out diving occasionally, and it'll fit in your fanny pack. You have it right in the front where you need it the most. We need a flashlight. Be surprised, it gets dark early up there. A small first aid kit. Yeah, you need it. You're going to probably bump into a cactus or scratch your leg on a rock. Dark glasses. They're nice to have. There are two other things that you need to take with you. One is a compass. This is a real cheap one. You can buy it most anywhere. The other thing that you need to take with you is toilet paper. The women will love you for it. Going for my props over here. Now this windbreaker has a hood on it, and it's waterproof. Be surprised, the rain does suddenly come up, and that brings up a good point. Before you go hiking, check on the weather. You don't want to be caught in a snowstorm. I have what we call a solar blanket, and it keeps the sun off of you. If it's too warm and you get lost, this thing will keep you warm, surprisingly enough. Better take snacks with you. Here I have medjool dates. What else would I have but medjool dates? And nuts. Water. You're going to need lots of water. But 6 or 7 of these in your bag will be sufficient. You got to have it. I always carry at least 10 bottles because somebody in my group will usually run low on water, and you've just got to have it. In fact, I think I'll have a drink right now. Your cell phone takes good pictures too. Keep your cell phone with you. I suggest that you carry a lighter with you or matches. For whatever reason you might need it. Remember that in certain places in the National Forest, you're not even allowed to smoke. So having a lighter can be useful, but be careful of where you use it. Now we're going to talk about hats once more. This is the hat that you always see me wear. I have about 3 hats just like this one. And if for some reason you want to be camouflaged, you can wear this hat. People can't see you anymore. Ball caps. Do not wear a ball cap. They don't protect your ears if it's shiny out there, and your ears will burn. Now, if you want to wear a hat that you bought when you were on a trip on cruise, go ahead and wear it. You can even wear the boss's hat if you want. I have my Smokey Bear hat that I wore as a firefighter many years ago. This was a hat we could wear. And if you're close to the border, you might want to wear this hat. And if you're going to be where the cowboys lurk, this is the hat that you want to wear. One final note. Before you leave on your trip, tell someone where you're going. Cell phone is great because if something happens and you are way late and you do change your mind as to where you're going to go, you can call them on the phone and tell them. Get yourself a map of the area where you're going. Make sure that you stay on the trails on the map. Don't be going cross-country, leaving the trails. You tear the ground up in the soil, and then the rain makes a mess. All right, now next week, stay tuned. You can sit there and watch while I go on a hike on the Indian trails. This is Conrad Vargas, the old desert naturalist. You can contact me now at Gmail, the old desert naturalist, all one word, at gmail.com, and send me your ideas or what you think of the show. If you like it, tell me. If you don't like it, keep it to yourself.